we're filming a new intro for the Jetskibrothers channel. And right here on the river. Hashtag river run.
But here's our crew that's working on the new JSB intro. I'm reckoning you guys are pretty bored of the searat spinning around in circles. And I also have to see it quite a lot editing the video. So hopefully we'll get something new. If this doesn't work out, then you will not see a new intro.
Yeah, you probably won't even see this if it doesn't work out.
Oh, I can put this up there.
Yeah, no, this should go in still.
Yeah, truth. This is truthfulness.
Yeah, this will be like an
factual
outtake reel. If there's enough.
Josh, do you want to sketch it up in the sand for us?
All right, guys, we're gonna draw it in the sand.
All right.
Okay.
Everyone got it?
Yeah. Are we supposed to do anything special?
Nope.
Or just look good?
Just drive by.
Okay, great.
I'm gonna be showing off.
Oh, I hope
That's fine.
It's gonna ruin it.
All right, thank you and good luck.
Does everyone know your role?
So,
I'm following Andrew.
Oh, I meant
no,
like
I'm at the way back.
Wait.
you're
So
See,
here,
you're
here.
right
Oh,
here.
I see.
So it's gonna be Kayla,
I get it. I'm second
and
to
then it's
last.
gonna be Emily,
I get it.
and then it's gonna be Jason,
Why
I
is my
thought
rock
we were
smaller?
heading-
and then because you're on the planet ski, and
I
then
I
it's
thought we
gonna
were
be
heading this direction,
Wait a
and
minute.
Josh was filming us
Yeah.
as we head
and then
this direction.
Lauren, and then
it's
Andrew.
the
And I
other
have
way
the
around.
smallest.
Right, you guys are going that way.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're going that way.
Yeah, we're going this way.
Got it.
Good luck.
So Kayla will be in the lead, then Emily, then Jason, then you, Lauren, and I'll be at the rear. And just make sure you're to the left of the person you're behind.
And if you guys mess it up, it's okay. We're just trying to see if we can do this.
Yeah, plus, we got enough battery on that thing for another take, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Well,
As long as I don't turn it off.
This is our most scripted thing we've ever done, so we'll see how it turns out.
I tried scripting things before, and Jason and Jacob really got kind of ticked about it. They were like, this is stupid. I hate scripted stuff. All the riders are preparing their vehicles. I'm walking out deep. Oh yeah, this is gonna be fun. Go cinematic with it. Right on. Hopefully that's good. We'll see. Here comes Jason. Here comes Lauren. Here comes Andrew. And here comes Emily. They are the stars of the video today. And there's Jason, and there's Kayla. They're all just going mad now. They're just like, go for it. So hopefully that take turned out, guys. If not, I can't imagine us doing it again. A little too scripted. I don't know. It's pretty tough to coordinate.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think we should try it one more time, but just everybody in a line.
Like one after another, in a straight line.
Yep.
Can we have Andrew go separate and he can blast by everyone? Like we could all go in a line and he could just be like to the right or left.
Yeah, that sounds good.
again. This time we're going in a straight line. So I guess everyone just follow me. Andrew, you're going to go in a separate line. And as we're going by, you're going to blast by on the right or left.
Okay, I'll
You
go
want him on the right or left?
Where's the frame start?
Same spot.
No, I understand. Just so I know where I can start passing you guys.
Right? There's where we begin to see a point of view.
Okay, so that telephone pole?
Yes.
Okay, from you to the telephone pole, that's where I should enter frame and be passed.
Yes.
Got it.
You could probably like wait for us to get like 1 or 2 in and then just blast by.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I would say go to the right of them.
Oh, go to the right of it.
And then you got Jason, try to bring them in a line that's kind of closer.
Yeah.
Okay.
Great.
That way you have room.
Okay.
And I'll stand by these sticks.
For sure.
Perfect.
These are fun
Okay,
sticks.
guys, ready? So I guess stick as close as you can to the person in front of you that you feel comfortable.
Yeah. Exactly.
I won't run you over.
Kayla, I was gonna say, do you maybe want to go at the back?
Yeah, you-
Because the
No.
jet's
No,
up.
the wave blasters tear up the water off.
It's
That's a good
sucky.
point. That's a good point.
Oh man, do they ever. I was
Yeah.
following Jason, he was on the triple ski.
Yeah.
That thing was just melting the water in front of me. I'm like, I can't ride on this.
Yeah, that's a great point. I was just thinking it would be,
Yeah.
if I were on a stand-up, I feel safer at the back.
Alright, here we go, guys. Take the next one.
Yep. We are still rolling. I do not want to turn off the camera. Alright, the crew is fired up. Oh, getting me soaked there. There they are, making the big turn around. Placing camera in cinematic performance area. All right, there it is. The intro, oh, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I gotta get wet though. Holy cow, it's freaking actually hot here for once in our lives. This is one of the 2 days a year out here where it's actually hot-ish. And by hot, I mean like 78 degrees. All right.
Right when I hit the bridge for a synchronized run, I couldn't turn left or right, so then I just stopped, and then Emily ate it behind me, but I didn't want to run anyone over. So sorry, Emily.
No, it's fine. It's like you stopped, and I was like, you stopped out of nowhere, so I started to figure out what happened. So I turned it off, and it started turning slowly, and I was like, I couldn't save it, so I just hit it.
I'm
pretty
sorry.
hard.
Yeah, I got real scared when I'm like, I can't
No. I missed it on that
So
one.
this ski, the steering bolt fell out.
You got any tools in your ski?
Tools in my ski.
Oh, he's got tools. Oh, we're good to go.
Oh man.
Good boy.
I could go back and get your
I'm
wrench
really-
in
I'm
about
glad you
5
weren't
minutes.
hurt.
It can be ridden back.
And I'm glad
Probably as is.
that I didn't hurt anyone.
Yeah.
Just
I was coming in to tell Jason, and he had his ski going.
I'm concerned about, you know, I put someone else and they'll have to deal with it.
Yeah.
Although, I'll just give it to Lauren. She can go low and slow.
Put some
Huh?
some paracord through the trick, because I brought plenty of that.
Yeah, can you turn it into a wrench?
Yeah!
We need a 10 millimeter.
That's all we need.
No, that's like a 9.
Paracord wrench.
Sure.
No. Only.
I can only do odd numbers, so it's either a 9 or 11.
Ooh.
What are you, a Sea-Doo?
What are you? Yeah.
It is Sea-Doo paracord, yeah. That's
We were attempting to film a new intro there, and essentially it didn't really work out because of how we had it set up. The big problem was we use GoPro cameras, so they don't really have a zoom. There is a zoom feature, but it's not really... Well, if you have a GoPro, you know what I'm talking about. Our location just didn't work out the way it was set up there. We really should have been attempting to film this on our test track, where everything would have been a lot tighter and closer together, which is what we need. There's a lot closer of a video on the GoPro. All of our writers did a great job, and it is by no fault of theirs that we're not going to be able to use this for the intro clip. Basically, it's my fault for setting it all up in the wrong location, or perhaps just my fault for using the wrong camera. Anyways, check out this sweet new shirt I got from VintageJetski.com. It's got this sick retro video game theme going on the back, and I like that a lot. It's pretty cool. But if you want to get some gear like this or some parts for your old skis, head over to VintageJetski.com. Make sure to use the promo code Jetskibrothers for 5% off at VintageJetski.com. Jacob was not able to join us for this particular filming day because he had to work. He's been working a ton of hours lately, and that's why you're seeing quite a bit less videos from Jacob. It's just because his work has been crazy busy and has definitely upped his workload, so he hasn't had as much time to do the jet ski stuff. Well, who wants to close this video out? All of you together?
Oh, yeah. Oh, because the destination, the thing that we learned today, the gas you put in your tank is the friends you ride along the way. What?
Yeah. Couldn't have said it better myself.